how to set birthday reminders on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set birthday reminders of your friends on iPhone calendar so that you never forget. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your calendar app and then just choose the date where you want to add your friend's birthday, and then you can see plus icon in the top right, tap on it, and then you can see event and reminder, tap on reminder, and then put in the title. You can even put in notes, you can put in link, and then after you've set the proper date, you can set the time that you want the reminder on. So you can set 12 a.m. and then you can set the time zone. You can toggle on the urgent switch and then hit allow for alarms and timers. Now you can set it to repeat, and then you can even put in list and more details. So, and you can hit the tick option in the top right. So this is how you set birthday reminders on your iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.